These were the scenes outside the Narok Law Courts, an altercation that prompted police to intervene to calm down the taxi drivers who were seeking to gain access to witness proceedings. The four suspects, Solomon Ndiku Nyeri, Silas Maina Muturi, Geoffrey Lobui Moran and Moses Lonyet, were arrested in Nakuru Township yesterday and escorted to Narok. Appearing before Chief Magistrate Wilbroda Juma, the suspects were ordered to be remanded at the Narok police cells to enable police complete investigations, with the investigating officer saying that they are pursuing another suspect who is still at large. Meanwhile, 5 police officers are set to face murder charges after an inquest into the death of Engineer Fred Obado 4 years ago found them culpable. Senior Principal Magistrate Joyce Gandani said the 5 police officers, among them Eric Momanyi, Zachary Kandie and Gitonga Nderitu, who were based at the Kilimani police station, contributed the deceased death. Obado was arrested in a police soup and later died after he was pushed off a moving police vehicle, with the accused claiming that he succumbed to injuries sustained from a hit-and-run accident. And Murang'a Governor Mwangi Wa Iria has now obtained orders barring his arrest and prosecution by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. This until the case he filed at the court, which is challenging his arrest and prosecution, is heard and determined. In the case, Wa Iria argues that the anti-graft body breached his fundamental rights and freedoms by searching his house after obtaining warrants. The Murang'a County boss was arrested on Monday by EACC officers, and he was scheduled to be arraigned in court on Tuesday and charged with obstructing the commission's officers when they raided his house in Thika early this year. Meanwhile, the hearing of a case linking Pastor Anne Wambui wa Nyoro over the controversial death of city lawyer Paul Magu has finally kicked off 1 year after the mysterious murder of the Magu's family in November 2014. Pastor Anne Wambui wa Nyoro is out on bond after she denied helping Paul Magu to execute the murder of his wife and children before committing suicide in Thika town. Finally, an Equity Bank employee was Thursday arraigned in court over tax evasion charges. The charges include conspiracy to evade payment of duty and interfering with information stored in KRA's customs computerized systems as KRA stepped up efforts to seal revenue leakage loopholes. Douglas Wachira Gikunju denied the charges and was released on a million shillings bond. A warrant of arrest has since been issued for Equity Bank Namanga branch operations manager Benson Rwara Kafu, who failed to appear in court. Together with Wachira, they are accused to have orchestrated a 124 million shillings scam. The case will be heard on the 7th of April. Haligan Agade Scales of Justice.